Press the bell icon for more updates and subscribe to my channel and leave a like to this video. Friends and hello my friends and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to make your channel's own logo. So it is very simple. You have to just download app called PixArt and it is available free on Play Store. Just you have to buy the whole means if you want more editing to pictures you can buy the whole pack. I am not promoting or supporting PixArt, but just I am telling you how to. So first of all I am going to tell you that is you have to select the third option, that is draw, and create new. So it is white background 1024 into 1224, and then right hand top corner you have to just press and then it will continue. It is saving now. This app is of 40 or 50 MBs only, so you can add your logo. So again you have to do is right hand top corner button without doing anything to the photo. I means and then save and share. So where you have to save is gallery, and then done. Then now you will appear on the home page, and then you have to now edit. Choose the option first, edit, and then you will select this. Means there are white photos so you can't see them. This one I have selected, which I have done it now. And now after selecting this, go in text. uh, in text you have to just write your channel's first initial letter, that is E. Means my channel is E. I don't know which is your channel's initial letter. So then press correct and then go to color and then choose any color you want, and then just adjust the height you want. I want it to be small, so okay. Then you have to again go to text. Then if you want the initials only, so you can do ET, but I want explore text, so EX. E is already written, initial is already written, so I'm writing XPLORE, and then correct. And then you have to choose a color, uh, whatever color you can choose. I will choose blue color, so just I will do it a little bit smaller so you can see it and it will fit in the screen. So again do tick, and okay, there is little bit problem. I'm gonna do it again. XPLORE, correct. Then color, any color you can select. I will select this, I can select this. Line it properly to your first letter so it will look good. And then stroke, if you want stroke you can give it some stroke, or you don't want stroke you have to not give stroke. Then shadow it, and there are many other options you can do it. This is good, this is good. So I will tick again, so it is explore, and then I have to write it tick, tech. So again go in text, write the initial, correct. Then add a color to it. I'm going to add red this time. Then fit the image, fit the initial, then again correct, then tech ECH, then correct, and I will now write it in black. So this is simple, but after this you have to do is give a stroke, and that is a little bit difficult, but once you have got it, you will be it will feel you like it is easy. So right next to text it is add photo, so I will add this white image and add, and then I will get a stroke, perfect stroke, a straight stroke. So I will this time make my logo a bit different. No, I am again going to add photos, add, going to do this so it will blend automatically, and after then you can do whatever you want to this image. So yeah, there are many other options like frame, and there are many options that to draw if you want to draw anything, do anything to it, so you can do anything. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video, and I will stay on the Google Play Store. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.